everyone, and welcome to the semifinals of the Charlton Summer Smash as the Hudson Demolition face off against the Charlton Wildfire.
I call that song intermission song? That song. It's like, you know, remember how I explained the Jeremy? It's like 80s art. Alright. It's called Into the Fire by John. Into the Fire? Alright.
Leading off, number 23, Callie Ladot.
And we are getting ready to get underway from the semifinals. The Sturbridge orthodontist first pitch is away. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this game. Kingsley Graven is our Property Solutions starting pitcher.
Hey, girl.
2 strikes. There's the pitch, ball. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
What will happen
Our umpire
next?
today is Joe and
Joe Mazzulla.
Joanne.
Joe Mama.
Oh, there's our umpires, Stanley and Jolene.
Jolene.
Swing and a miss, strike 3.
Jolene by Dolly Parton. Jolene by Dolly Parton. You know that?
Now batting, number 1, Ayla DeVoe.
Yo, she has like the elbow pad thing in case she gets hit, which is probably gonna happen.
Ball's coming in fast right now.
Yo, Kingsley throw as hard as you can.
Come down and check it. Actually, you can do that. You're like the guy.
Yeah, I am that guy.
This pitch from Kingsley. There it is.
Boom! Shimmy through.
Oh!
I told you she was gonna get hit. I told you. Did I not say she's gonna get hit?
Now batting, number 13, Ava Connolly.
My mom said my sister's hit so many people. Now she's kind of getting used to it. She kind of likes to hit them.
And she's hurt on first
Doesn't have a
base.
problem with this.
Kingsley hit her hard there. That is a hard hit.
You know, you gotta knock some fear into them so they step out of the box.
Just a little bit.
Mom. I thought she had like 15 million.
She's going to stay right there. Here we go. Here's the pitch.
Good movement, girls.
1 out. Pitch.
Get her.
To first.
Good job, Gwen.
Here we go, Gwen. Let's go. Here we go, Wildfire. Woo! Fired up. Now, let's go, Kings.
Good movement, Emma Clark. Way to work out there.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Are they allowed to use
This pitch for Kingsley. Strike 3.
Now batting, number 3, Ellie Yost.
I think you said it wrong.
Why? What is it?
I don't know, but Cam. She looked over, she was like, that's Steve.
That doesn't say Ellie here.
It's just L. Yas.
Yas? It's an O. It's probably O doesn't make an R.
Kim, it says Y-O-S-T. How is that not Yas?
You think it's Yas?
L Yas.
L Yas.
We all never know.
L?
Yes, Cam. Like L from like 11 from Stranger Things. It's like L.
So you think it's L yards?
Yo, cue the intermission music. Here's the thing.
Oh yeah, we'll be right back.
Okay, start.
Leading off, number 1, Hazel Burlingame.
And we're underway here.
Lucky, let it fly.
Here you go, Hazel. You say
Good,
that.
Hazel. Hazel, you got this.
I agree.
That a girl.
Emma Ben McKenzie. Kingsley is on triple deck.
He run the bases. Fire the bases.
Pitch. There's a strike for Hazel.
Anything close, Hazel. Protect that plate, bro. You okay? That a girl.
Good eye, Hazel.
That's a good one. Get ready.
3 balls, 2.
Good hitter. Come on, Hazel.
Thank you. 2 balls, 2
I just
strikes.
know it's.
Hey, good eye.
There we go, Hazel. Full count.
Here we go now. Good at bat.
Hazel's gonna get her way to first base.
Now batting number 12, Emma Clark.
Can you say Shot City? Hey, what do you say, Em? Here you go, Em.
Good job, Hazel.
He actually slid.
That was a great slide.
That was a nice pop-up slide.
Nice slide. Well, it shouldn't pop up, but it's a good slide. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
She's wondering how many pitches he has, probably.
Is that the umpire?
I don't know what he was appealing there. Maybe she left early? The tag was, it must have been it was left early. That must have been what he was appealing.
All right, Em, let's go.
No, I mean, the coach is appealing that.
Hey, get out of the way, get out of the way. Hey, Em,
She got there. It would have been
here you go, Em. Here you go, Em.
52 minutes till takeoff.
counting down, Dogs. Ball. Good eye by Emma. 1 runner in scoring position. Bottom of the first inning. Rip it. Rip it.
You have to tap this team and include them.
Okay. It's not funny yet, but
And export them. Because
or something.
rest of these Titanic viewers.
Hey, Em, take a ride now. Come on.
Oh, wicked rich.
There's a 250
Come on, Em.
And they died. They paid that much money and they died. Hopefully there's a refund.
Some people, no. Some people mortgage their houses.
That's insane to me.
I don't know people that were on that specific one, but people that were trying before.
Alright, it's insane. Alright, it's a full count. With no outs and a runner on third.
That a girl, get it back.
Yeah, buddy.
Now batting number 8, Mackenzie Simpson.
Come on, Shorty.
Take your time.
Hey, Ken, what do you say now? What do you say, Shorty? Come on.
No outs, runner on third, runner on first. Pitch down low.
That a girl, Emma.
Base hit, scores 2 runs.
Put it in play, come on.
Paisley.
Put it in play, Shorty. Here you go, Shorty. Here you go, Shorty.
Here we go, Kens. I kind of want those as strikes for Hudson, so it's tough.
Here you go,
I
Shorty.
want those to be called strikes.
Shorty's got that number.
Third and second, 2 runners, scoring position, no outs.
Here you go, 8. Come on.
What do you say? Bet that ball, bet that ball.
That a girl, Shorty. That a girl.
Y'all gotta be louder.
Continue driving.
She's shorty. She hits bombs in the outfield.
Come on, Shorty.
You can't catch it because she's shorty.
Good spot.
Yo, Kingsley, bases loaded.
Now batting number 28, Kingsley Gregan.
I hit the wrong part.
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Yo, what the heck is first base doing?
Coming in there, I don't know.
Taking off the face.
Are you allowed to slash in softball?
No.
Hey, that's how to leave that alone, Kingsley. Good job. Let's go now.
Oh, they're moving in because base is loaded, no outs.
Come on, Kingsley.
Kingsley pops it up.
You're good. No.
Hey, you got another life now, Kingsley.
Yeah, 1 life down, bro. 2 to that.
Come on, Kingsley.
Bases loaded, presented by
Yo, let's
Ken.
go.
No
Other way,
outs.
bro.
Now let's get one.
1 and 1.
Come on, Kings. Here you go, Kings. Here you go, Kings. Stay here.
Jump on it. Girl, I know you want it.
That's a strike. That's a strike. You see it, Kings. Here we go.
Back now, and it's close.
Jump on it. One more. Yeah, you know you want it.
Now batting number 18, Natalia Roden.
Here you go, Talia. Hey, that a girl. That a girl. Here you go, Talia. Come on now.
Shawnee. Alright, let's see.
Hey, good cut, Talia.
No outs. Bases loaded. 1 out. 1 out.
Just missed the Talia. Just missed the Talia. Come on. Here you go
Still
now.
bases loaded.
I was in bed.
Here you go, Talia.
She came home, showered, went back. A real guy. I was like,
That a girl.
She needs to be careful. They will pick her off.
Right, if you stay, jump on it. Here you go, Talia. That a girl, Talia. Hey, that a girl.
She's swinging for the fences.
Right out, kiddo.
That's what I did.
2-2.
Always gotta swing for the fences.
Definitely.
Here you go, Talia. Here you go, Talia.
Just gotta swing as hard as you can.
That a girl.
Hit by Natalia into the outfield. 1 runs in. The throw to first. Here comes Emma. She's on her way in.
Hey, good job. Out of the back.
Let's go, Addie.
Now batting number 16, Addison Staney.
There it is. 2 runs in. It's 2-0 Wildfire. She was on the other side.
I didn't even know they made drop 9 bats, but here we are.
All
Drop 9
right,
bats.
Addie, let's go.
That's a huge trip.
Right over to Addie to throw to first, and that will be an out, but it's an RBI.
Addie, that a girl.
That's 2 outs.
Good job, Ed.
Now batting number 10, Gwen Peculis.
Addie, that a girl.
Oh, it's the wrong one. My fault, Gwen.
Here you go, buddy.
Cam, come on. Come on, Cam. How many scoops can I have this time?
This is the part of the lineup where I go bad.
Now you're gonna have to do legends.
Atta girl,
Now
how
you're just gonna have to do it again.
I've messed up Gwen's walk-up song 3 times this weekend.
You're gonna have to do this.
I can't see, it's too hot. Hit by Gwen! This one will drop. Another one's in!
They have good outfielders. They have some good outfielders.
And that will be 4. The Wildfire take a commanding lead, 4-0.
Alright, Kate, let's go now.
I like that. That's a fine name out of the way.
Kim, alright, so what do you do? Now got it.
Number 5.
You have to do, you know that. So you like these.
Now batting number 5.
Number 32. Morgan Nika.
Kings is so on fire right now.
Things are so slow.
That's,
I could hit off her.
yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure you could. Let's do it in the sibling game. For the sibling game.
That's what I want to hear.
Now batting number 5, Morgan McLeod.
When are we going to do it? Are we even going to do it?
Carlin. What?
He's going to hit.
Care or car?
Now he's coming your way. Yes.
Car. Carlin.
Carlin.
That's why I spelled it car. That would have hit you right in the face.
Nice bag.
Yo, Gwen is wearing Bruce Bolts, I think.
That one should like miss by an inch.
Oh, wait, no. The girl batting is wearing Bruce Bolts.
There it is.
Now batting number 8, Sarah Carlin.
No, Morgan McLeod.
No. We already did her.
I don't think we did.
We just did.
Oh, we did?
What's your number?
Okay, you didn't do things you weren't like, number 8.
Ollie Smith.
Like him, where is that? Also, I heard you're doing a Yankees game this week.
Yes, but not
Is
like
it
that.
an entire Yankees game?
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, I think we each get like an inning, and it's not like anything official. It's just kind of like for fun, but it'll be good. I think. I don't know exactly how it works yet. That's the week after Dartmouth. So
Yeah. I think I'm wrong. I don't know.
Here you go, Kate.
what an inning for the Wildfire to get out of
Is
that.
it 220?
Yeah, we'll be right back. Everyone will.
Cat, let's go now.
But they're just gonna think it's like the same walk-up song.
Swing, Cat. Swing, Cat.
The parents.
Here you go, Cat. Yeah, good eyes.
Cam, why is there plastic in here?
That's where the umpires stick the plastic to the balls. Yeah. If you open that thing, I bet there's a ton of them in there.
This one?
Pull this up. No, this one's not. They tightened it back up. It used to be loose, and they used to shove it all in there.
Come on, Cap.
Inside of this?
Yeah.
How?
Good eye, Cap. Good eye. Come on, Cap. Come on, Cap. Down and ready. Down and ready.
I wanted to be
224.
All right, here you go. Check it, Cap. Anything close now.
USA.
Yep. Here's the pitch. Cassie strikes out.
Now batting number 14, Nikki LeBlanc.
That's right.
Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. Rip.
Ooh, right on it, Nick. Right on it. Good try, Nick.
Here we go, Nikki. Nice count for Nikki.
Here you go, Nick.
Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki.
Good work.
Hey, 1-4. Bring up the ball.
Go, Nikki.
Around the bases. Fire the laces. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nikki.
3-2.
Score.
4-0 us.
Inning.
Yeah. No, nothing yet. Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Inning.
Come on, Nick.
Eater.
Bottom 2.
No. Eater. No. Left, right, down the middle. Make that pitcher work a little. Eater. No.
Now batting number 20, Molly Smith.
Come on, Mo. You go, Mo. Get out. Start now, kiddo. You start. Go, Mo. Come on, kiddo. Back to the box. Good eye, Molly. Good eye.
Sunshine.
Come on, Molly. Okay, Molly. Let's go, Molly. Go, kiddo. Come on, kid. Come on, Molly.
Come on, Molly.
Aloha.
Close.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Here you go, Molly. Here you go, kid.
Come on, Molly.
All right, pitcher gonna come in right now and bat. Where'd that one go? Holy cow! Holy cow! Watch your head.
Hit your camera. You'll be fine.
Now I'm gonna get hit in the head.
Here you go, kid.
Yeah, the camera will protect me. Just shatter it.
There we go. Grab the softball with my hands.
Here you go, kid. Here you go, kid.
I'm sorry. I forgot my chair was
Come on, good play. Let it go.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right. Is it 2-2?
I don't know.
All right.
Reckon.
It was a lot. It was
It was
low.
a lot, man.
Yeah. I feel like that was like really.
Yeah.
Here you go, kid.
Alright, calling it cases of a change up and strike your
Yes.
More just
change up or
Let it go.
Now batting number 6, Brooklyn Bruce.
Now batting. Number 6. Come on, Cam. Where's the emphasis?
This is a late team. You don't get emphasis.
You don't give emphasis to our team.
Your way.
How you telling me? Talk to the hand, Devs.
Here you go, kid. Let it go.
There we go, Kingsley.
Let it go, kid.
That batting stance is kind of good.
Here you go, kid.
That's a strike all day.
Let it go, kid. Here you go, kid. Come on, Kings. Alright, good idea. Good idea. Go,
That's great.
Now batting number 17, Casey Darrow.
Thank you. Did you say Darrow?
Good call, girl. Here you go, King.
Look at this. We run it down like Devoe's the coach. His kid's daughter is the coach. Charlton. Location Charlton.
Really?
Christmas, King. Christmas.
Did you say Darrow or Dara? What did I say?
You said Dara. Maybe, I don't know. Who cares?
Here you go, King.
She's not gonna get up to Daddy again.
What?
She's not gonna get up to Daddy.
Yes, she is. It's Darrow. So it's Dar. Dar.
You
Dare.
said Dara. Yes, you did.
I said Darrow. Yeah, I did.
Wait. Gets in this line, not front. Okay. No line. You're good. You're good right now. Hold on now. Don't worry about it right now. I'll talk to you. Don't worry about it. I have brain freeze.
Now batting number 23, Callie Ladot.
I was on base, but
Shorty, Molly, come up firing, Gwenny. Nick, back up throws.
Weird does the ref have the ref championship?
No, it's Thursday.
Oh, bet.
Good job.
Someone of the Sturbridge teams.
Revenge on your math teacher again?
No, it's not him. He lost in the semis. I wish it was him.
Done.
I wish it was done. Oh, dropped the ball. Oh, she had it. She had it.
I don't know if I've ever seen a successful, like, throwing somebody in the face.
I have. Yes, we've done it so many times this year. You were literally there for almost every single time we've done it.
I would gun these kids.
Didn't even matter. Kingsley got him out. Still 4-0 as we head to the bottom of the third.
Level swing, Gabby. Keep it level. Come on, Gabby. Good eye. Head on, drive it. Here you go, Gab.
how did that go out?
Come on, Gabby.
Out of every room.
Atta girl. Atta girl.
Ayla, Sadie, then Hazel.
Here you go now.
No outs here in the bottom of the third inning. In the semifinals, the Charlton Summer Smash.
Hey, go pop.
Now batting number 11, Ayla Clark.
On Ayla. We're good. First, outfield two.
Look at you, Degs. That was fast, too. Were you running?
Hey, good fight. Good fight, Ayla. Good
You'd be walking.
I got the ball.
Balance. Let's go.
That was 4-0. I wish my old team was good.
Got it. Hey, now. Anything close, Ayla? Anything close.
Did you realize you're still playing 7-ish right now?
Got it, girl.
What? Yeah, I know. But I kept keeping playing because if I pause it, it makes a really weird noise.
Like what?
It's like a...
Can you, is it like that loud?
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
Can you just do it once?
I will. In between innings.
I want to see what it sounds like.
Degs.
sure what it sounds like.
Now batting number 99, Sadie Coughlin.
The left is in the but I'm gonna track them. I'm a hitting machine.
Hey, good cut, Sadie. Good cut, Sadie. Good cut, Sadie. Here you go, kid. Let it go.
Hit by Sadie to throw to first base, and that is 3 outs.
Dude, why does the first baseman stretch himself?
Still 4-0. 4th inning next. Because I get distracted. Like I'm watching you play with my eyeballs, and I forget to turn the camera around to what's happening.
No one ever gets to see it.
Yeah, you get to see some of that. So sometimes I miss them. Like during the championship game, I was like, Wildfire win, Wildfire win. And you didn't see them like hugging each other and celebrating. So I really got to focus in on the moments that matter in the game. But like this tournament, I am so much distracted, it's impossible.
Here you go, kid. Here you go, kid.
Alright, so we're going L. Yost. Yost? She's probably gonna be mad again. We're gonna get one. I'm gonna go L. Yost. I wanna say this like Connolly. I know it's Connolly, but
Connolly? That's what you want to say?
no, I said Connolly.
No.
Now batting number 13, Ava Connolly.
We got L's next.
How
did you get it right?
Did you say Ellie Yost? Or is it
Ellie
Ellie
Yost. And she freaked out about the first
This
one.
time it's saying Ellie Yost.
Now batting number 3, L. Yost. We're saying Yost. We're not saying Yost. There's no A. There's no way an O makes a Yost.
An O makes an ah sound dog.
Dog. No, it makes an O sound. Da, oh.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go with L. Yost, but we could be wrong. We butchered it the first time.
You sound Ellie Yost. Mario.
Check that, Gwenny. Check it. Good job.
What happened?
12.
Thank you, Sam.
What happened? Wait, why is she out?
All right, let's get another one now.
Now batting number 3, L. Yost.
We got it. We got it. Good job, guys.
Wait, why is the last girl? Mom, why is the last girl out?
One.
I didn't see a swing.
She definitely. We got burnt in the last year's tournament with that same thing. A girl swung at the umpire, so she didn't. Stanley's got our back this weekend. Stan is rolling. Like, he's not even bad anymore. Like, we might have to take his nickname away.
Hey, just mess now.
And he might just have to become Joe because he is awesome.
No, he's not.
Yeah, we're getting ahead of ourselves.
Maybe when he's in the field, but not when
Not
he's...
when he, yeah.
Good spot.
It's way easier to call balls and strikes behind the pitchers now.
See, I tend to agree with that.
So hot. Is it almost time for liftoff?
What's the count, Blue?
5 minutes.
You have to put 2 up. 2 strikes. You got it. Good job, Sam. There we go. Way to come back there. We'll be right back. Ball 1 for Hazel. Bottom of the 4th inning with the 4-0 lead for the Wildfire. It was this top of the order that got us to those 4-0 lead. Hoping to do the same thing. A little low.
Way to leave it, Hazel.
The Wildfire, 6 outs away if they can get a couple here from a championship game appearance. 8 straight times.
Boogie around the bases. Boogie around the bases.
Now batting number 12, Emma Clark.
Come on, Emma. Can you say
Because you're so critical to me, like, what's the next song to do?
Right on it, Emma. Right on it.
Yeah, there we go, Hazel. Hazel all the way to second.
Good throw, come on, Emma. Brooklyn, you're back in the throw, right? Here we go.
Bellingham doesn't want to go today.
Okay.
They lost it.
Hey, good swing, Em. Just miss. Good shot, Emma. You're right on it. Very nice. Keep back. Keep back. Come on, Emma. You got this. Just miss, kid. Just miss.
Couldn't get back in. She probably played in
Atta girl. There you go. How to fight.
Staying alive. Staying alive.
Come on, Em. Come on, Em.
Well, that's very vague.
Play like actual fun.
That,
Yeah, I feel like we're
that's a hype.
like country rock.
Now batting number 8, Mackenzie Simpson.
Rip, rip, rip.
Come on, Shorty.
Mackenzie with a rip to the outfield. What a catch. No kidding.
Now batting number 28, Kingsley Reagan.
Come on, Kings. Come on, Kings. Come on, Kings.
You know what? Oh.
Somebody said it.
Go, Kings. Go, Kings.
You already posting on your weather channel.
It's hot.
What's happening?
It's hot.
Come on,
The
kids.
sun's out.
Like, why haven't you been posting on the...
Because I don't want to. I'll never hide.
Atta girl.
I'm too shy.
Good job, Hazel. Good job,
Hazel all the way
Hazel.
to third base now. 1 runner in scoring position. 2 outs. Here's Kingsley.
All right, Kings. Here you go, Kings. Atta girl.
Good eye, Kings.
All right, Kingsley. Keep going out. Here you go. Come a good one. Kingsley. Hey, but stay driving. Come on. Sorry.
How'd you come up with that?
Hey, that's okay. Out of the aggressive. Out of the aggressive. Let's go. Okay with that. Okay with that. Keep
There's a
okay.
race on tonight. It's 7 o'clock. On TV.
Oh, that's what the Jeopardy was about.
Yep.
Now batting number 18, Natalia Roden.
Come on, Talia.
I don't see any dirt on you!
Hey, let's go, Talia. Come on.
Rip, rip.
Come on, Talia. Atta girl. on, Talia. Got it, girl. Good eye. Good at bat. Good at bat.
2 and 2. Ball in play could score a run.
Come on, Talia. Come on, Talia.
That's a tough one. We'll be right back.
Now batting number 32, Peyton Welton.
We probably will. I'd have the whole class is gonna get him. It's gonna start next year at a 0, yeah.
Come on, Kings.
No way.
It was all you.
Yeah, I wonder why. I don't think it's pretty obvious. Juanita, it's her birthday. It's like 3 times we sing happy birthday to you in 1 year.
No, I told him it was her birthday like 4 times. He didn't even realize.
Well, no, I think he realized.
What?
Nothing.
You think he realized?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm getting it.
This is our 5th year in Spanish, and I know what to say. This is our 5th year, Emily, and I know what to call it. Like,
Now batting number 5, Morgan McLeod.
You got this, shake it off.
You guys watch out. She ripped from foul last time.
No, the other one.
Oh, it's the other one? My bad. Somebody's angry.
You don't do anything right to make the play.
Angry. I hope you get me next year.
I hope I get the 20.
Yeah, I'm sure
I
you
ended
do.
with a 99 in that class.
Oh, I'm surprised you didn't get 100.
It feels like I got a 40 on it.
I got like 540 from the class.
I got a 40. Do you remember that? What was the thing?
Now batting number 8, Sarah Carlin.
So there was a paper, and I drew lines to it. And
Oh, I remember that.
And
Yeah.
it took off 40 points.
Yeah, because she's a donkey.
I need more screen time.
Addison better hope she doesn't get Mississippi next year. Don't tell me you're
Good work, Gwen.
Alright, here comes the pitch, and that is a strike right down the middle. No swing, let's go, come on. Oh, just going first, going back to first.
Okay, we don't need this.
I'm commentating.
Not very good.
Here comes the pitch. Strike,
Swinging.
swing and miss.
No, that's not how you do it.
Sleepy Joe's
No, he gave us a good call today. We're thinking about cutting his nicknames away. No. Get him away, get him away. Tell him not to get on the camera.
come quick. He wants us to help.
Hold on.
Gwen, just throw it.
Now batting number 20, Alyssa Mazzone.
There's not enough room on the defense for everybody. I think you guys should go back to up there.
What?
There's plenty of room up there for everybody.
Okay, well, I'm actually right here.
Well, no one wants you to be. Especially not least. What? What? Oh yeah, watch out, she hit a foul ball. What haven't you?
No, I actually
So annoying, Elise.
Grab, Gwen. Good work back there.
If she gets the first day, everyone has to do it. It's the jinx.
That's her problem.
What a change-up pitch by Kingsley Gray again. What a job. We're in the bottom of the 5th, and it's 4-0 Wildfire. Ooh, that's good. I like that.
Oh no! It's quick!
16. Yeah. Next year, I think I might go for.
I feel like I need to change it up. This makes me mad.
I might go with like Mario. I'm gonna go with. I think I'm gonna go with Mario. Hopefully Riley's in that class. Riley has to be in the class. If Riley's not in the class, that's just a bummer. He's in to accelerate, just like everybody. Addie hits this one foul. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Big yellow ball. Ooh. Good eye, Addie.
Really good, kid.
Now batting number 10, Gwen Paculis.
Go, kid.
Calm down.
You go, Gwen.
I know.
Now batting number 2, Cassidy Connor.
All right, Cass, let's get us going now.
Two outs. Here's the pitch for Cassidy. Ball outside. Nikki on deck if needed. 1 ball, no strikes. And a 4-0 game in the bottom of the 5th inning. 3 outs away if we can get it for a championship.
Here you go now. Come on, Cass.
Yeah, Cass. Come on, Alyssa.
2 balls, no strikes. And the pitch. 3 balls, no strikes on an outside pitch. Coach said let Cassidy hit it. Oh man. There we go, Cass. Here we go.
Stick your finger in her electric. Shoot it.
Now batting number 14, Nikki LeBlanc.
Cassie's safe on second.
Good job, Nick.
2 outs now. What happened?
She took her foot off.
Are you kidding me?
It's all right. It's fine.
That's a really tough one. Oh, we're back. 1 out. Sorry. Again, another malfunction. With number 17 up right now, Coach Mann obviously visibly upset with the Stanley, the classic Stanley call at second base.
Good, Kingsley, looking good. Big side left. Send to the north side. Girl, Keg.
Swing and a miss. Two balls, 1 strike, 2 outs away.
There you go.
Here we go, Kingsley! 2-2. Now 2 outs away from our 8th straight championship game appearance. The pitch. Foul ball.
Gotta make that play.
It hit the fence. It couldn't get it.
Go get it, Kings. Come on. Yes. There you go.
There it is.
Now batting number 23, Callie Ladot.
With 2 outs, 1 away, and a 4-0 lead for the Charlton Wildfire. The dream continues if we get an out.
Here you go now. Come on, Keg. Here you go, Keg.
Pitch for Kingsley, foul ball. 2 balls, 1 strike. Swing and a miss, 2-2. Two balls, 2 strikes for Kingsley Gregan. The incredible run continues. The Wildfire are going to make their way to the championship game for the 8th straight time under Coach Simpson and Coach Gregan, the 4th time this season. What an incredible run that this team is having, and it's going to continue at 4 o'clock today. Looking for our 3rd championship of the season. And a great game. We will be right back. 8 straight times we're heading to the championship game. We'll be back.